Now let us begin determinants. See determinants, let me give some formulae, some tips, take it. Then I will tell you which area you have to prepare very strongly. Determinants, let me write some formulae first. Number one, first matrices also I told you, that's also some formulae. If A is singular matrix, A is singular matrix. What is the meaning of singular matrix? Singular matrix means determinant A equal to 0. Then of course non-singular. Non-singular means non-singular, that is determinant A is not equal to 0. Number 2, give me some tips to this topic. Okay, fine. A is any 2 by 2 matrix, or otherwise M by N 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix. Then determinant of adjoint of A, that is equal to what is the formula? Determinant A power n minus 1. Determinant A power n minus 1. Then A is n by n matrix, for example. Now determinant of A into adjoint of A into adjoint of A, that is equal to determinant A power n. Then determinant of A inverse, these are all one of the major formula I am telling you, 1 upon determinant A. Okay. Now without finding adjoint of A, that is A into adjoint of A equal to adjoint of A into A equal to adjoint of A into A, that is equal to determinant of A into I. This is also one of the most important formula. Then that is formula number 1, formula number 2, formula number 3, formula number 4, another formula. Using cofactor, how to find determinant value? That is equal to, you take that cofactor corresponding is the corresponding element A11 plus C12 into A12 plus C13 into A13, like this. Otherwise you will get determinant value is 0. Now whatever the formula that I am telling here, number 3, then suppose some matrix given, another matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, some matrix that is equal to 5, 7, 3, 2. In case of find the x value, then how to find the x matrix? You do one thing, go for matrix method, that is x into you take it, this is A matrix, that is equal to B matrix, then x is equal to this A goes to, if it is supposed to multiply, then you should take it goes to multiply, so that is A inverse. You know how to find A inverse, that's right now I told you A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into, interchange main diagonal, change the sign of non-diagonal, through that you can find this. In case if they say some matrix is given here 1, 2, 5, 1, this is one of the most important question I am telling here. A matrix of 4, 5, 7, 3, so that is equal to, suppose here 1, 0, 0, 1, this is given. Find A matrix. You cannot take A, B, C, D, that is quite a difficulty. A, B, C, D, you take that elements A, B, C, D when the matrices order are different, then only you go for that one. If the orders are same, then you go for this method, inverse method, that is easy for you. You take it, this is X matrix, this is A matrix, this is Y matrix, equal to this is identity matrix, or otherwise you take it some other matrix, I don't have any problem, 4, 5 like this. So you take it, this is a B matrix, okay. You need A matrix, then A matrix equal to, X is the pre-multiply, then take the inverse, X inverse, B, then Y inverse. First multiply these two, then whatever the answer, multiply by this, automatically you will get it A matrix. So please don't go for A, B, C, D like that. If the matrix orders are same, then go for like inverse method. Clear to you? Then again another formula. If we go for this one, AB whole inverse. AB whole inverse equal to minus B inverse into A inverse. B inverse into A inverse. Otherwise AB whole transpose equal to, we have seen the formula, B transpose into A transpose. Okay, fine. Then suppose just give me tips. Determinant topic is very easy, that's why I am giving tips only, so you have to follow all these formulas. Just one mark question is quite difficult. If you know the formula, that is also very easy. Suppose if they ask show that, in case if they ask to show that A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. In case if they are not giving here I, that's understood along with the matrices, there is no number combination. You should put it yourself I. So you have to show this equal to 0 and hence find A inverse and hence find what they will ask and hence find A inverse. So please mind it. A inverse means you cannot and hence means you have to use previous one, then bring it A inverse. You cannot use minor cofactor, mind it. So first you have to show one thing, this equal to 0. Then you have to do one thing, you need A inverse, multiply both sides A inverse, that is A square minus 5A plus 7i, that is equal to 0 into A inverse becomes 0. If you open this, we will get it, that is 1A will be cancelled, that is A minus 5 into A inverse into A, and then 7A inverse into minded. If it is a pre-multiply, then you keep it pre-multiply only. So now this is A minus 5i, then 7A inverse equal to 0 implies A inverse equal to what you will get, 1 upon 7 into 5i minus A. You know AI matrix is 2 by 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, what 3 matrix, 3 by 3 means 3 by 3 you take it, and A matrix is given, substitute as simplify, you will get automatically A inverse. So please do not use here minor cofactor, and hence means previous one use it and then bring this result, then only you will deserve for full marks. Like this type of they will ask. Otherwise, if they ask this one, AB whole inverse equal to B inverse inverse, even you can use a shortcut method, whatever I told you, 1 by determinant of AB into, you find out first AB, then 1 by determinant of AB into interchange main diagonal, change the sign of non-diagonal, that's you can use it here. Are you clear? Here is a determinant, the main thing is the properties, so that's you have to take care of it. And then let me explain first matrix method, then I will come to properties. Clear to you? Now see, matrix method, one thing is the word problem. Word problem means you have to assemble equation, then solve matrix method. Matrix method we have number 1. Suppose A matrix is given. Okay, find the A inverse and hence solve the equation. Here what you have to do, first you have to find number 1, first to find the A inverse. Okay, you know A inverse how to find, that is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Here adjoint of A using minor cofactor, please do not use elementary operation, maybe you can commit some mistake. So here you use it minor cofactor, through that you have to find the adjoint of A, so that you get A inverse. Now next step what you have to do, whatever the equation given, linear equation given, what is, so assemble the equation. P equal to something, 3 by 3 matrix like this, you will get 3 by 3, and then X matrix usual, X, Y, Z, and then next Q matrix, you will get some quantity given, something quantity given. Now the system can be written as Px is equal to Q implies X is equal to what you will get, P inverse Q. Now what you, again please avoid finding minor cofactor inverse P inverse, and hence means previous this A inverse use it and solve it. So what you have to do, what is the relation between this P matrix and a given matrix? Either both will be same or otherwise transpose matrix. There is no other link. Clear to you? Either same matrix they can give or otherwise a transpose. Then P inverse equal to, directly you should write A inverse, and then here P inverse equal to A inverse the whole transpose. You can take it, already you have your inverse, take it as a transpose, you will get it a P inverse, then multiply both, you will get answer. Are you clear? Minded what I told you? A matrix is given, and hence find A inverse and hence solve means first you have to find A inverse, then reassemble all the equations so that you can write Px is equal to Q and X is equal to P inverse Q, and then you have to see what is the link between this given matrix and a new matrix. If it is the same, write down like this. If it is transpose, write down like this, so that you can solve, find the value of X, Y, Z. Clear to you? Another one, product method. So what is the product one? Now see, suppose A matrix is given, okay? A matrix is given, okay? And then B matrix is given. Mind it, one of the most important another part of the. Now you have to first, sometimes they will ask find AB. So maybe AB is 6 into I, 8 into I, 4 into I, but one thing keep in your mind, the product should be some scalar into identity matrix. Otherwise you are wrong, otherwise question is wrong. Once again the product should be some scalar into identity matrix, and hence solve the equation. So you have to find the AB equal to 6i. Now stop it. Now recollect all the equation, whatever I told previously, P equal to something, Q equal to, that's again something given, and then X matrix equal to usually X, Y, Z. Then the matrix can be written as Px is equal to Q, system can be written as like this, X is equal to what we will get, P inverse Q. Okay, fine. Now what do we have to do? This B matrix is related to which matrix? Either A matrix or B matrix. If it is a B matrix related to B matrix, where P equal to B matrix and P inverse what equal to, because for solving this you need P inverse, where P inverse equal to B inverse. Once again, please do not use minor cofactor or elementary operation. Here using this product you have to find the inverse. So how to find it using product, that is AB equal to 6i. If you require B inverse, post multiply by B inverse. So that is equal to 6 into I into B inverse. Now into comes I, that is AI equal to 6B inverse. Then B inverse equal to 1 upon 6 into A matrix. A matrix, given matrix, write down, you will get it a B inverse. Are you clear what I am saying? So once if they see and hence means previous one, use it and then solve. So do not find minor cofactor. Do not use here minor cofactor. So matrix method is nothing. So that is quite a difficult one. Now come to properties. The major topic is the properties. One question definitely will come for properties. Properties, what I told you, first you read out all the properties. Clear? Whenever you do property questions, you have to find out three things. Number one, suppose if you are adding any row, any column, are you getting any common elements? Immediately check it. Otherwise, if you are subtracting any row or any column, then immediately do it. So what is the aim of doing all these steps? That means at least you get it 2 0 inside the determinant. Then open the determinant, you will get answer. So what I told you, you have to bring at least 2 0 inside the determinant using properties. So at minimum you have to use 2 properties. Then open the determinant, you will get answer. So I don't want to say much more in this properties. You take the NCERT questions, miscellaneous questions, example questions, do it properly, you will get answer. Once again, properties what I told you, suppose if possible, add it any row or any column, then bring it to common element, otherwise make it at least 2 0 inside the determinants and then open the determinant, you will get a perfect answer. Clear to you? So be confident in this properties, and this is quite easiest one. So another tips and hence means previous one, use it and then bring the result. Clear to you? Now let us begin another topic.